wash your cauliflower and cut them in smaller florets. Take a baking sheet with parchment paper and spread some olive oil on it. With the cauliflower, you can do that, like I'm doing it here on the video. I'm spreading the oil. In your breadcrumbs, you could use plain breadcrumbs or you can use the ones that have spices in it. I add a little bit of garlic, paprika, black pepper and some salt, Parmesan cheese, oops, never too much, and place your crumbs on top of your oiled pan. After baking one side on a 400-degree oven for about 20 minutes, we'll turn them over and bake them again for another 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed making this dish like I did.